Hey guys, Tony here, and I'm going to do a demo here for a WordPress plugin that creates content within WordPress for you. Now, this is a very useful plugin and it only costs like $17 and you can use unlimited, but you do have to put in your own OpenAI API key. Okay, but this is actually very good. So I'm going to give you some examples of this. Okay, so I'm going to put in here to write an article. Okay, so I'm in the AI writer over here and I'm going to write an article about WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, and I'll put the keyword in here, WordPress SEO plugins. I'll tell it to write an article. It takes a few seconds, but it's pretty good once it's done. And you can see here I've got a very simple but useful piece of content here about WordPress SEO plugins. Okay, so I'm going to regenerate this again, and what you can do as well is you can import content into a WordPress post if you want from here, but I want to generate that again because I run this before and I had some sub headlines as well, using sub headlines and mentioning each plugin in each sub heading. Okay, let's see what happens here. I correct my typos. Okay, so now you can see we've got Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO pack, SEO Ultimate, SEO Squarely, SEO Press. That's a nice little blog post. Okay, so we can import that into a WordPress post straight away. Okay, now from there you can also put some images, etc. as well. Let's go and have a look at the image generator. And what I'll put in here is I'll put smiling girl with old style telephone. Oh. Generate the image. And there we go. This looks realistic. Okay, so you can create these images that are going to be completely copyright free. Okay, and you can also use a paraphrase in here as well. So if you've got existing content, or you take content from somewhere else and you want it rewritten, you can use that as well. And here you got for traffic and for videos as well, but those are upsells, I believe. But it's a nice plugin. For $17 you can create decent content. Now, how could you use this to your advantage? Well, I'm a bit biased, but I would use this with WordPress Alpha. Okay, because with WordPress Alpha I've already set up some templates that are ready to be deployed in any new domain in just a couple of clicks. Okay, so what that means is that the template is set up. It's a fully set up site. It's not just got plugins and themes installed, but the configurations are done and the speed settings are done, and it's got marketing elements in there as well, so it's quick and easy to deploy sites. Okay, and that means that if you don't know anything about SEO, for example, I've got a bunch of SEO plugins where the configurations are already done. If you don't know anything about how to improve site speed, well, I've got the settings already done for that. Okay, if you don't know how to add pop-ups and slide-ins and things, I've already added those in, and all you have to do is just change the content, but I've got the timing and everything else set up already, that all you have to do is just go and change timing. If you want to change the wording, and you can change as well for the links or the autoresponder form if you're using an opt-in form. So it's quick and easy to use something like this with WordPress Alpha. And what you could do then is you could do some niche mining with this, and what that means is you can easily create about 10 articles around a specific topic, okay, on each website. So you might want to create a website about gut health, or you might want to create a website about some kind of diet, and all you need to do then is create the images in here and save them into your media folder so that you can pull them in when you are creating your blog posts, okay, and create your blog post, okay, using this plugin, and it will create the post for you, okay. So you can knock these out probably in about 30 to 40 minutes each site, okay. It's very quick and very, very easy to do as well. And if you got the upsells in here, you can even pull in videos that are from YouTube that reflect that particular topic, okay. So how do you get ideas for the topic? Well, it's easier to go to ChatGPT and say to ChatGPT, I need 10 article ideas around a specific topic, and it will give you the article ideas. And you can even get it then to write some introduction for your articles, etc. as well, so that you can make sure that you've got some keywords included. And the way to do that is ask it to generate keywords for each of those blog posts, and then ask it to write an introduction and include as many of those keywords within the introduction. So you've got your keywords at the beginning of the article, then you've got that introduction here to be able to use with this plugin, and it's very quick and very easy to set these up, okay. So very, very simple plugin to use, nothing difficult about this at all, but it's really useful. And it's unlimited use as well. You've even got developers license with this, so you can do this for other people websites as well. So if you want to use it for local marketing, it's perfect. If you want to use it for niche marketing, it's perfect. And if you want to use it just to paraphrase some content that you found somewhere else around a topic that you found interesting, it's perfect for that as well, okay. So nice and easy, $17 and unlimited use.